Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into one of the most powerful and life-defining placement in Vedic astrology. Yes, I'm talking about the planet Sun in your birth chart. Your Sun in your horoscope, in your birth chart is not just a placement. Actually, it's your core identity, your sole purpose, your self-expression, your ego, your confidence, the way you are in life and the way you meant to shine in this life. It's very important. But here's one very interesting fact that two people, for example, if there are two people with the Sun in Leo signs, can have completely different personalities. Why? Because it's the placement of Sun. So if there are two people with Sun sign Leo, but one is in the 12th house, one is in the 3rd house, will have different life. Because it's the placement of the Sun which sits in different house changes your entire destiny, your behavior and your decision making in this life path. So if you ever wondered that why you think in a certain way, why certain opportunities naturally come your way or certain challenges keep repeating in your life, it's your Sun's house placement. So comment below, let me know in what house is your Sun in your Vedic astrology birth chart. Before we start this video and have a complete detailed knowledge about Sun in various houses, make sure you hit the like button. There would be an option to hype the video if possible. And new to the channel, please do subscribe it now. Click the bell icon so that you don't miss any future astrology content. So let's begin this very important video with understanding that why this topic is important. Let's understand this. Understanding the Sun's house placement can discover you, and there are 7 reasons why this is important. The first reason is that your life purpose. It will signify what is your life purpose. Second is how you are meant to express your talents in this life. Where will you naturally shine? Wherever the Sun is in your birth chart, you will naturally shine there. Where will you gain power, respect and recognition in life? That also your Sun placement can tell you the complete idea. What life areas require conscious effort, your natural leadership energy, and lastly, what type of work and lifestyle will fulfill your soul, because Sun is soul. So most people only look at their zodiac sign and the moon sign, but the real transformation happens when you also understand your Sun is working in your life and where exactly is your Sun. So let's start with the very first house. If Sun is placed in your first house in your birth chart, then the leader's birth have risen. First house is the house of good leadership. It's your independent house, your own house. So if your Sun is placed in your first house, you're born to stand out. This placement will give you natural confidence, strong identity, and also a very radiant personality in life. People will notice you even when you don't speak, you will shine, right? Your destiny is connected to lot of leadership skills and you want to grow, you want to come ahead in life and grow. That's what Sun in first house means. You will take charge and you will influence others in life. If Sun is in your first house, you are self-driven, you will be bold, you will be very straightforward in life. Your biggest lesson is that balancing your ego with humility. That's what you have to understand. Comment below, let me know if Sun is in your first house. So let's start with the second house now. If Sun is placed in your second house in your birth chart, then second house is called as the voice of wealth and family. So Sun in your second house blesses you with a very powerful voice, a powerful speech, strong values, very good family values, and an ability to create your wealth through your own efforts. You will be wealthy. You will definitely become rich in this life, but through your own efforts. And a little bit of family support too. You will shine when you will speak, you will teach, you will manage your finances or build something very much long term because of Sun is in the second house. Now, second house is very important because family responsibility will shape your identity. Your destiny involves creating stability, wealth and legacy of the family. So a very important house. Now, if the Sun is in the 3rd house, the house of courage, communication, short distance traveling. This placement will give you a lot of creativity, a lot of strong command over your communication. People will love your communication skills, the way you speak. That's the third house power. You will shine through your writing, speaking, media, sales, marketing, teaching, your social media, right? A lot of people get overnight success on social media. Sun is in the third house. Some people are very bold, very adventurous, and unafraid to take risk. Sun is in the third house. Siblings may also influence your destiny in life. If Sun is in the third house, typically you will have a good relationship with siblings too. The biggest lesson is consistency is the key, and consistency has to be there in the effort. Now, if Sun is in the fourth house, the house of home, education, vehicle, your roots. Sun in the fourth house gives deep emotional strength and a very strong family values and values coming in from your mom, your mother. Your identity is tied to your home, your mother, your homeland, or your house or real estate is going to be very good. You will build a lot of houses. Sun in the fourth house. You may also shine in fields like education, psychology, mathematics will be very good. Healthcare related things will be very good. Spiritual path is going to be very good. Your destiny also involves creating a very secure foundation for yourself and others. Overall, you will be very happy in this life. Okay, comment below, let me know if Sun is in the fourth house. Let's start with Sun in the fifth house. Fifth house, creative genius. This is a highly blessed placement. Why? Because Sun never disappoints in the fifth house. No matter debilitated, exalted, you will shine in creativity. Your intelligence, your performance, and your self-expression is going to be fantastic with Sun in the fifth house. Exalted, debilitated doesn't matter. Sun in fifth house has to be fifth house. You could excel in fields like entertainment, arts, teaching, spirituality, speculation like stock markets, things like share markets. You will have fantastic support from kids and you will love being surrounded with a lot of kids. Your destiny involves inspiring others through your talents and ideas. You will always get like out of the box ideas most of the time with Sun in the fifth house. Comment below, let me know if Sun is in the fifth house. Now let's start with the Sun in the sixth house, the problem solver, the perfectionist. So here the Sun takes you towards service, healing, very competitive. Sun in the sixth house, you will always win in competitions and give you very good discipline in life. You will shine when you help others. You will shine when you solve problems or work in structured environments, because sixth house is related to law, medicine, healing, doctors, healthcare, and administration roles. And these roles will suit you actually in your life. You'll be like very professionally you will grow in your career path. Your destiny includes overcoming obstacles and also emerging through them in a very strong way. You must learn patience with your co-workers and your healthcare routine and your life partner. That's what is more important for sixth house. Let's start with the seventh house now. The charismatic partnership, seventh house. This placement will make relationships a major focus of your life. You will attract strong partners and may become a very good leader in business partnerships. You will also shine in negotiations, public work, diplomacy, or very diplomatic work. And you will be a very strong entrepreneur. Your entrepreneurship skills will always outshine when Sun is in the seventh house. And your identity grows through your good relationship, like marriage, family, relationships are very strong here. Just balance yourself and balance your family life. Rest all is good for you. Let's start with the Sun in the eighth house. The eighth house is the mystical house, the transformation house. A Sun in the eighth house gives deep intuition, a very magnetic presence. Always remember that eighth house is the life transforming house for you. If your Sun is in the eighth house, sooner or later you will transform in this life for sure, 100%. Okay, you will shine through your research, your investigation. You will love astrology, occult science, palm readings, you will be a great healer, you will be a great psychic, and you will be like very intuitive. Your destiny actually involves rebirth, spiritual awakening, and uncovering some hidden truths of your life. You will be very strong, very mysterious, and mentally very sharp with Sun in the 8th house. So it's a good placement overall. Now let's see if Sun is in the 9th house. The wise explorer, wisdom, 9th house. With Sun in the 9th house creates a seeker of truth, knowledge, and higher wisdom in your life. You will shine in your education, your spirituality. If you're interested to do like a PhD or higher education, you will do it. Foreign lands may play a major role in your destiny. Your life purpose is to inspire and guide others in a very good way. 9th house Sun means it makes you a person of good karma, a very truthful personality overall in life, and you will gain respect through knowledge and a very good ethics in life. Comment below, let me know if that is your placement. Now let's see if Sun is in your 10th house. The 10th house, the house of authority, the house of power. One of the strongest placement if Sun is in the 10th house, because at this time if you're born in the afternoon time if Sun is in the 10th house. Sun is right 90 degree up in the sky. Very powerful. You will shine in your career. You will be a good public, figure, leadership and recognition. People look at you in a very natural leader way. Like you will be the leader you will be apple's eye of everyone. Your destiny is connected to reach high achievements, fame. You will love government related work or corporate leaderships are there for you. You will become very strong in your own identity. Sun is at the peak of power here. One of the best house. 10th house, one of the best house. Let's see if Sun is in your 11th house. The visionary, the helper. This place will, with the Sun in the 11th house, makes you very futuristically, very social and goal oriented. You will shine in networking, business, tech like technology, social causes or large organizations. You will attract very influential people and big opportunities in your life very naturally will come towards you. This is also a very good placement. Sun in 11th house is good. Your destiny involves fulfilling large ambitions and impacting communities at large. So you'll do something like a big philanthropy work in this life. And lastly, Sun in the 12th house. If your Sun is placed in the 12th house, the spiritual light, the house of spirituality. Sun in the 12th house gives deep intuition, spiritual purposes, and a private personality also. You will shine behind the scenes and not up front. And you will also shine in foreign lands with unknown people, unknown place, with people from different ethnicity, right? And also through your spiritual practices. Here, Sun in 12th house will make you very spiritual, very intuitive, like a psychic or a medium. And your destiny includes your self-realization. You will get moksha, you will get liberation, and you will be very compassionate with people. And you are also a great healer. You may work in the fields of spirituality, healing, specifically if you're like in healthcare. Yeah, that's one of the best work for you. This is the Sun's house of mystic, creator and healer. Always remember that. Okay, so with this we cover all the 12 houses. Now if you have enjoyed today's video and if you have learned something new about any house or your Sun's placement, make sure you hit the like button, and if possible share this video with someone who is interested to love astrology or is interested to dive deep into this topic. Please tell me in the comment below that which house is your Sun and how does it really influence your life. Does this discussion today make sense to you? I would love to read your comments and stories. Thank you so much for watching this video. Stay blessed, stay aligned. I'll see you in the next video very soon, and take care of yourself. Goodbye.